welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am kind of doing a little bit of cramming. I have been meaning to make more polymer clay items for selling at markets, but I haven't had a chance to do it. And with the holidays just around the corner, I have one more weekend of selling in person, so I'm going to see if I can just get a whole bunch of cool things made before this weekend. So yeah, I'm going to work on making some more polymer clay earrings. I know that most of my videos up until this point have just been about oil painting and making fine art prints, but I also make some polymer clay things. But yeah, I figured I would take you guys along and hopefully I can get this all done before this coming weekend, which is the last weekend before Christmas. Also, if you're new, my name is Amanda. I am a still life oil painter. I make fine art prints of my art, and I have been a full-time artist for the past 2 years now, and I am just doing my best. And yeah, let's just get into making these polymer clay earrings and maybe pins and maybe keychains. So for the voiceover for this video, I'm going to talk through how I made these cute earrings. First, I'm going to make the donuts, which have been a bestseller for me in person at markets. After I have warmed up the clay in my hands and mixed all the colors I need, I start sectioning out the clay by rolling it into a ball and cutting it in half. I try my best to get each ball roughly the same size. Then I start molding the donuts. I squish the ball down a little and shape the sides to be round. Then I take a pointed tool, which just so happens to be from a nail kit, and I use it to poke the middle of the donut, which creates the hole. I swirl it around to make the transition to the hole smoother. I do the same thing for the back, then I take a different tool and smooth it out even more. Next, I grab my frosting color, which is purple for this one, and I separate a small piece and roll it into a long clump. Then I place this on top of the donut and use my tool to squish and smooth the frosting on top. I made a few different colors this time around. I find that making these in bulk works best. Now I am working on the sprinkles, which takes the longest. I roll out a very thin piece and use a knife to cut a tiny piece from that and put it on my finger. I put around 6 sprinkles of each color on each donut. I carefully transfer one sprinkle at a time from one finger to the other and place it on the donut. Since I do this in batches, I do all of one color on each donut, then move to the next color. Once I finish the sprinkles, I cut some metal wire eye pins and stick them directly in the clay. Next, I made some ice cream cones. These are pretty easy to make. I shape some cones and a small ball to be the ice cream. Then I mold the ball to look like an ice cream scoop. I made a strawberry pear with cherries on top and a mint chip pear. Next, I made some cute little cactus earrings. For these, I rolled out a long piece and cut it into 4 sections that are around ½ an inch long each. Then I roll out a thinner piece for the arms. I attach them and smooth the clay together. Next, I roll out a darker green for the spikes and cut and place them like how I place the sprinkles on the donut. Lastly, I roll 2 colored tops for the flowers and put in the eye pins. Next, I am making these cute little sushi rolls. To start, I roll out some white balls and shape them like the donuts. Then I roll and flatten a long black piece and roll it around a white piece and smooth the seams together. Next, I roll out a ton of little pink, orange, and green balls, and I put 1 set on the front and back of each piece. Then I take one of my tools and poke little dents in the white to make it look like rice. And lastly, I pop in the eye pins and bake it all. I didn't get around to showing how I put resin on these, so I'll show that in my next few videos. But yeah, these are all ready for my last markets of the year. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks, bye!